Well, hello everyone and welcome to this Hypefury tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to use Hypefury. Hypefury is a great website to help build your X, LinkedIn, Instagram and email lists. Before we begin, don't forget that we have the link to Hypefury in the description below so you can get a head start, follow along at the end of this video. The first thing you need to do, of course, is to try Hypefury for free. As a beginner, you want to click on try for free at the top right corner right here, or click on try Hypefury for free today. So we're going to do just that. So once you click on that, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to sign in with Twitter. Right, so we're going to click on sign in with Twitter. And if you have your Twitter already connected like I do, it's going to ask you to authorize the app to connect with your Twitter or X. So we're going to click on authorize app and you can see signing in. Great, it's currently analyzing the account and at the top right corner here you can see the name of your account. You can click on the drop down and you just have the button to log out. We're going to click back to reduce this. And right here it has what do you like to tweet about. Marketing, unpopular opinions, making money online, etc. So you need to choose what applies to you. So let's just go ahead and choose investing. Click on next. And then here you can see how Hypefury is already trying to help you to get more engagement. You can see get 35% more engagement. Let Hypefury retweet your most engaging tweets a few hours after they got posted. And all of this is to get more reach. So if you want to enable the Twitter booster, you can enable this at a cost. So click on next, and then right here it says to take a pledge. Keep at least 10 tweets in your queue at all times to grow your impressions by 10x in 6 months. And then of course you have to check box to follow Hypefury on Twitter or X. You could toggle this off or toggle this on. We'll leave it as is, and then of course go ahead. And after everything is done, in the case of signing up, you find yourself in the Hypefury dashboard. Now here at the dashboard, you have your main area and then you have your sidebar. Your sidebar has lots of options and we'll be doing a walkthrough of these options so you know what to do and where to go to get what you want. So let's begin. You have the grow section, the engage section, the earn, and the track section. Now what are these for? Let's start with the grow. Now you're here in Hypefury because you want to grow your social media, primarily X or Twitter, and your LinkedIn. Now, of course, once you come over to the first option with grow, you can click on create. And this is going to be the most frequently used option. Why is this? Because this is where you get to create posts and schedule posts. Now it's going to be blank. And of course, if you want to create your post, you can simply make a write-up. So we just have big news coming. Well, what is it? Well, you have to wait. Now you have big news coming, and then at the bottom, you could decide to try to see the preview. We're going to click on this. It's a toggle on, toggle off switch. And there you have it. This is how it's going to appear. We're going to toggle this off and it's gone. And then right here, you have save to drafts. So you can start your post, save it in the drafts and complete it later. If this is what you want, you can come over here to schedule. Oh, and then before you go over to the bottom, of course, you can see some options right here. You can decide to add more tweets to your tweet in case you want to create a thread. And then, of course, just as you would use your X app, you can add media, upload, choose a GIF, add a poll, choose an emoji, add a category. And once you click on the drop down, you see more options. And then you can see set as evergreen. More on that in a moment. So we're going to come to schedule, click on schedule, and then you see some options. You have post now, which is the obvious button to post immediately. And then once again, we meet evergreen post. Well, what is an evergreen post? An evergreen post is a post that Hypefury can help you to repost at certain intervals, especially for topics or posts that are typically evergreen. Now, of course, you don't want to use any post. You want to use a post that truly will be evergreen because this can be posted at least once or twice a week, or you can set the frequency. Now, of course, after that's done, you also have the schedule on next free slot. You have Friday, and this is just a suggestion of a date you can post based on the popular times for posting on X. And then of course, if you don't want this, you can click and choose a time, and then you have this. So you could go ahead and choose the date which you want in the near future and then click schedule. Again, this is what you can do right here with the schedule button, and that's for the create option. So if we clicked on create, that's what you see. Now this is another section at the top right corner here. You have the focus mode. If you click on it, it's going to show you just what you're looking at, so you don't see anything. And then of course you have the option to put it in drafts and then inspiration. Well, what is it? If you click on inspiration and you're really looking for an inspiration in your next post, you could go ahead and select one of these categories in order to have your inspiration. For example, it's here on investing, but if we move over to self-improvement, you can see right there, anger is weakness, self-control is strength, calmness is mastery. So you have the option to click on reuse tweet. Now this post was made by Wise Connector and you can see the date in the past. And then once we click on reuse tweet, you'll see it right there. What does it do to your existing tweet? Well, you can find it in the draft, but it basically deletes it in the draft area where you're seeing right now. And then you can see the same thing and then it quotes the original creator. And then of course you could go to your schedule and you know what to do. So that's how you can use inspiration. Go ahead and use inspiration when you're stuck or you're having sort of a writer's block and you want a quick answer. So of course you can see self-improvement here in investing, and if you don't want to see it, you could simply unselect it and it's going to show you typically what you've selected. So that's for the create. Now if we go over to the dashboard, here is where you can see some options such as tweet to reel, and you can see 30 videos left this month. Now this basically is where you can have your tweets turn to reels. And by hearing reels, you know you can go over to Instagram and make this happen. And once you hear reels, this means that you can use Hypefury for your Instagram as well. And then here you can see connect your Instagram account to Hypefury. This is up to you. And of course, if you click on create, it's going to take you back to where we were, under the create tab. Now this is for your dashboard, and then of course you have your queue, and this is where you can see what is on queue for posts that you'd like to post in the near future or far ahead. And then if you click on schedule, this will present you with a calendar and where your different posts can be made. You can see 9:59 a.m. X, 10:10, 10:10 a.m. on Instagram, and then 10:55 on LinkedIn. And then it repeats the process. Of course, you can see X here, and X here. And it just gives you a suggestion of what you could do. Now, you can also see the icons right here. And this just simply means that if you want to have your post on another platform, you can schedule the post to your Facebook, your LinkedIn, your Threads, TikTok, or Instagram. So you could go ahead and use that option in order to use Hypefury to post on your other platforms. And then here you can see drafts, which are messages that aren't complete, but you want to save them to use for the future. And then of course you have inspiration, which I showed you, and then recurrent post. Recurrent posts presents a calendar where you can see which post you'd like to have reoccur from time to time. So if you go on any day, you can see the plus icon there, click on plus, write the category, select the post, select the day, and then you'll be able to have a recurrent post. Now, if we scroll down, you can see the engage section. This is the engagement builder. Of course, you'll need to import users from X in order to get your filters and see what you can do with it. Now, with the engagement builder, you can come over here to import users from X in order to build engagement. Then here you have the earn section where you can sort out your auto DMs. If you'd like to start a campaign in order to send DMs to people automated, you can also use this option. If you're also into sales, you have your Gumroad sales and your time-based sales. Now, of course, as a user, you might have your interest in one of these sections, but it's really up to you to create a sale and see how it works for you in building or boosting your sales. And then you have the great tracking section. Now, once you click on analytics, currently it's saying no analytics yet because we just connected this account and it will need time in order to generate the right information to give you the best analytics. And then of course you have your history, your evergreen posts, which is what we mentioned, and you can see right here, pick some evergreen tweets. So if you have already existing tweets that you'd like to make them evergreen, and truly if they are, you could go ahead and post some evergreen tweets. In all, this is how you can use Hypefury to your advantage. Click on the create, Make your posts as attractive as possible according to your preferences, of course. Schedule to select from the options whether you like to post now, make it an evergreen post, or schedule it in the next free slot, or of course you could choose a time. And this is how Hypefury can be used to boost your social media presence, profile, and succeed in doing so. Now, one more thing we'd like to show you is how you can use a creator to post in different platforms at the same time. In case we missed it, you just simply need to come over to the top. You can see your X right here, click on the drop down, and you can activate this for your LinkedIn, your Instagram, your Facebook, and your threads. So of course, if you select X, this is how it's going to look like. If you select Facebook, this is how it will look like. But of course, you need to make sure that you're connecting each of these platforms at least for the first time. And then if you go to LinkedIn, this is how it's going to look like as well. So make sure you're seeing everything as they will look like presented on the different platforms. And once it's okay by you, you can go ahead and then confirm the type of scheduling you like. And that's how you get to use Hypefury. Don't forget to check out the link to Hypefury in the description below so you can get a head start at the end of this video. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.